Hi, Mrs. Ko. Let me just get used to it.
Yung tirahan ko, iba na yung address ko. Siyempre, nag-benta kami together. Obviously.
Kinikilig ako. Kinikilig ako. Can I? May I? May I see?
Hello.
Oh my God. Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Thank you. Thanks for being such a great sport.
Kapuso actress na si Bea Alonso, napangiti nang mapag-usapan ang asawang si Vincent Ko. Welcome back to Philippine Celebrity Broadcast. Ilang linggo nga matapos ang kasal ni Bea Alonso at Vincent Ko. Sa wakas, sumarap na si Bea Alonso sa isang interview na kung saan masaya na inamin na magkasama sina Vincent Ko sa isang tirahan. Para sa buong kwento, narito ating panoorin ang video. Narito ang video.
Hi, Mrs. Ko. Let me just get used to it. Okay. Mrs. Ko. How are you? Okay. Happy monthsary, first of all. 1 month into it. Oh my
Yes, I didn't realize ang bilis how time flies, no?
Okay. What has changed in 1 month?
Yung tirahan ko, iba na yung address ko. Siyempre, nag-benta kami together. Obviously. Ano ba nagbago? Right now, I'm on cloud 9. I'm very, very happy. Na-share ko yata, I'm at my happiest. And siguro yung ano, and syempre, we, wake up right next to each other every day, and it's special to me.
Wow. Parang hindi na ako makapagtanong ng mga
Kaya
susunod
nga,
pa
okay na rin.
Hindi. Like, parang, of course, syempre, ang mga tanong niyan is, why the surprise? Lahat kami talaga, buong mundo na surprise.
Honestly, I didn't think that it's something I really need to share. So, parang, hindi naman sa pinagdadamot, but at that point, parang I felt like I just wanted it to be mine and his. I wanted it to be about us and no one else. So, yeah.
Yeah, it's
Hindi,
totally...
it wasn't supposed to be a surprise or wala namang kasal. It wasn't supposed to be like that. It was just, it felt like it was the right thing to do, and parang the moment was ours.
And we totally understand that. Siyempre, release na ako. Pupunta na ako doon sa Whisper from Heaven.
Yes, ayun na.
You're actually back shooting.
Yes, oo. I never really stopped shooting.
Nga pala, even before the day.
Yes, so midway na kami. Or more than halfway na kami. So, nag-enjoy akong katrabaho pa rin sa Dirigsig, Maricar, sa Tom. So, we tape 4 times a week. So,
What's next for you?
right now, siguro, syempre Whispers from Heaven. And I still have other opportunities that I'm really open to, doing. And meron kaming niluluto, sana matuloy. But right now, I'm really just happy to be where I am.
Kinikilig ako. Kinikilig ako. Can I? May I? May I see?
Hello.
Oh my God. Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Thank you. Thanks for being such a great sport.
Hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating video, at kung nagustuhan nyo, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at pindutin nyo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa ating susunod na video. Maraming salamat!